Hi, welcome. This is the final session in this beginner meditation series. Let's check in. Sit up straight, close your eyes, have a big breath in, and a deep sigh. Let's relax into the feeling of being in this present moment. Here you are, sitting somewhere in a space. You have taken the time to slow everything down in your life, to step aside from all of the dramas and engagements and activities of your day, to check that your mind is stable and clear, that your breathing is steady, that your body is relaxed. Relax into this feeling. Generate an intention for the session to focus, to stay connected. Practice not only for the benefit of yourself, but for the benefit of others. Imagine what's possible if deep within your own mind and heart you felt open, clear, kind, and connected. Imagine if you built your life upon this foundation: a mature mind, self-aware, peaceful, and trusting. Feel your breath start to breathe slowly in towards full and slowly out towards empty in a relaxed way. Right now, you are aware of being relaxed, open and clear. This is a feeling within us that has always been there and is always available. We just need to spend more time coming home. Have a deep sigh open your eyes. Good. You'll see that on most of the meditation videos, we start like that. We ground ourselves first and build from there. So, just some final tips as you explore the adventure of working on and learning about your own mind. Perhaps you can feel right now that we brought a relaxed approach to the practice. Physically and mentally, we became relaxed. And this is something to keep in mind in our approach to the whole practice itself. Bring a relaxed approach. It won't be helpful if you become obsessed with trying to get specific results in a quick time. Be patient, reasonable, curious about what you don't know and what you might learn, even in the face of difficulty. Be careful of making assumptions about how this practice is supposed to work and what things are supposed to mean. And try not to be perfectionist. We don't want to limit ourselves, and we need to give ourselves space and time to open and grow. Also remember that when meditation becomes difficult is when you're really getting somewhere in the practice. Have a big breath in and a deep sigh. Close your eyes. Here you are now, thinking about meditation, taking on this great challenge. Are you prepared to commit to practicing regularly? Are you serious about it? Are you ready to do this properly? Or are you looking for a quick fix? And then accept that you don't really know what's coming. And just do your best. Try to set a routine in place. Try to stick to it. And even if you miss some sessions, don't worry, come back when you can. If necessary, start again. Don't give up. It's so important not to give up. Remember that every time you practice, you're planting seeds for your future, and that the only bad meditation practice is that which is not done. Keep going. Open your eyes. Don't forget about that idea of a journal. You might find that really helpful. In it, you can write, I did this practice today, so on, 5 minutes of concentration or 5 minutes of breathing. Maybe you could write, today was terrible, just didn't work at all, I was completely distracted. And that's okay. And look back on this journal. Maybe a month later, look back and you'll see how many times you practice in that month, and you'll understand about why. And you'll start to see how your mind is learning as you go through this process of self-discovery and change. If you are reflective about your meditation practice, that will help. And Don't be afraid to talk to other people who meditate. Ask questions. Share your experiences. You're always welcome to post a comment, ask me. Maybe I can help. And don't forget that I'm available for private, one-on-one Zoom sessions at a very fair price if you want help setting up a program or just some perspective on what you're going through. In closing, I wish you the best with your meditation practice. And remember, the mind is the source of all our problems. It is the cause of all our suffering. And yet, it is the key to our happiness. Thank you very much. I hope that was beneficial to you. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. All the best.